Hello, everybody. This is how I lost over 600 fucking dollars. Yup, I got cooked. Let's jump straight into it. So, coming into the day, we were looking bearish before New York opened. We were at all-time high PA, so I thought to take longs only, but we had a massive Drake candle dump. And afterwards, order flow was looking bearish. But I still want to take longs because, hey, we disrespected this new day opening gap, but we tapped into this hourly fair value gap. So I thought maybe we could get some play from there, which technically we did. On the 32nd, there was a 30-second inverse here. Could have taken something like this, stops below here, targeted this buy side, and it would have been around a 1 to 4, 1 to 5 RR. But I didn't take that because at the time, we haven't touched discount yet. We were really close to tapping into discount, but I really want a discount of 50% of the range to get tapped. We never got that, and that's why I didn't take it. But looking back now, honestly, I could have taken this trade, and plus, break even wasn't even a bad spot. Like, I could have gone break even here immediately, and we have actually, I don't know where the entry is. Maybe the entry is somewhere down here, and break even. We would have never gotten stopped out, but yeah. And afterwards we just dumped. We created fair value gaps and speed bumps holding price down. And at this point, this didn't look good because, first of all, price dumped down so much. And if I draw PD arrays for the short-term range, we were constantly respecting bearish order flow, bearish price action. You see, dump down, hit 50%, continue to dump down. And yeah, this was never a good sign too long, despite overall high time frame being bullish, I mean. So yeah, I took this long here on the 32nd, break even here. I thought we could at least hit break even and we wouldn't be too far away, but yeah, it wasn't a good long. Because the thing is, I thought we took out sell side and we finally tapped into 50% of the range. So I thought it was alright to long and we could have at least hit break even. But this is otherwise, and yeah, learning from this dump and this bearish order flow, I should have never taken this long. We did get another potential long down here. I did not take this. I really wanted to, but I already lost too much and yep, gotta follow your rules. And this ended up being a break-even trade. It never even hit a 1 to 1 RR. So yeah, price action was just really bad. Of course, I know people took shorts and they won, and that's really great. But for my model, I don't take shorts at all-time highs. I usually don't unless there's low resistance liquidity. But yeah, oh yeah, another reason why I wanted long is because yeah, we were forming this trendline liquidity, and I thought we could finally run it, but apparently not. As you can see, it's still forming it. So yeah, eventually this is going to run and get taken out like an absolute hammer. Who knows what price will do next? Maybe something like this. Take out all these lows and then go up. Yeah, but yeah, really not a good day, not a good loss, but it's all good. We learn from it. So this is my journal for the day. So yeah, although there's Alara above, order flow was just insanely bearish, and I should have never really taken that 30-second entry, and I lost $635. I was waiting for the candle to close, but the candle hasn't even closed yet. And it was already at 500, so I was thinking, should I close it now or should I wait for the candle to fully close? By the time the candle fully closed, I was down too much and I closed really late, and that's why I lost $635 instead of a maximum of $500 loss per day. So, learning from this mistake, I'm setting a new rule, which is I will set a hard stop loss at $500 max. Another thing I realized was I was never supposed to lose that much, but I messed up my risk and lot size on TradingView on the position tool. That's why I lost 500. I should have lost like what around 300, $350, and it wouldn't be that bad, and I'll be break even at the week. But now we're down to over $300+ on a week, but all good. We still have Friday to potentially make it back. If we don't, it's alright. So yeah, not to really long from order flow. This was my psychology, and I actually took similar losses. I took this loss, and as you can see, order flow overall was bearish. This is pretty much the same trade, and not only one time, but two times. Look, another time, price dumped down, order flow is bearish. I saw this inverse, I longed it, but I failed. And this was a 2 minute long, but yeah, it was still really bad. So I've taken, oh, here, another one. Wait, was it 3 or 4 at this point? I don't freaking know, bro, but, oh no, I think this was the win, but this was the loss. Yeah, price, as you can see, 5 minute, we dumped down hard, bearish order flow. So yeah, I took this loss like 3 or 4 times, so I really gotta learn from this and take this in mind. Uh, yeah, make sure and try not to repeat this next time, and refine your strategy, learn from it, optimize your trading, optimize your psychology, and that's how I become profitable. And that is what I hope to do and achieve. And yeah, I updated my rule a bit. But yeah, I'm not gonna yap too much or any longer. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you boys either on Friday for hopefully a video of me winning, or I'll see you boys next week. Anyways, take care. Bye bye.